Heat. Let's recall, some substances are good conductors of heat while some are bad conductors of heat. Heat is easily conducted through a copper strip or pot, but not through plastic or wood. We can hold a glass, tumbler or china cup full of hot tea easily in our hand, but not so a steel or copper cup if the same tea is poured into them. Expansion and contraction of a solid substance due to heat. Metals expand on heating and contract on cooling. Solids expand due to heat and come back to the original state if heat is removed. However, the extent to which different solids expand is different. Expansion and contraction of liquids due to heat. When a liquid is heated, the distances between its particles increase and its volume too increases. This is called the expansion of liquids. When its temperature falls, the liquid contracts. Expansion and contraction of gases due to heat. The volume of gas increases on heating. This is called expansion of the gas. On the other hand, on removing heat, the volume of the gas decreases. This is called contraction of the gas. Thermoflask, Devar flask. How does a thermoflask keep tea, coffee, hot or a sherbet cold for a long time? What is its structure and how does it function? This is a double-walled flask. It consists of two glass tubes, one inside the other with the gap between them sealed. The surfaces of both the tubes are made shiny by silver coating. The air between the two tubes is removed to create a vacuum. This is a protective jar of metal or plastic outside the tubes. For the protection of the flask, pieces of sponge or rubber are fixed between the outer jar and the flask. Function of the thermos flask. When a hot substance is placed in the thermos flask, the heat going out gets reflected due to the shining surface of the inner tube. Hence, heat is not radiated. Neither conduction or convection of the heat occurs because of the vacuum. As a result, heat is not transferred to the outer cooler region and is retained inside for a long time. Still, a little heat is lost from around the lid and by a small amount of conduction through the glass. Therefore, the hot substance does not remain as hot after 2 or 3 hours. What is meant by thermoware? Thermoware is something which doesn't allow heat and warmth to escape from anything like good quality tiffin boxes, sweaters, etc.